Hello, Bobcats. It's Miss Elza here, and I hope you've enjoyed our lesson today, learning about the Russian painter and pioneer of abstract art, Vasily Kandinsky. So all we need today is a piece of paper. I've got some crayons, and it's your choice if you want to use a pencil or not to do some sketching beforehand. We are going to be working on some of Vasily Kandinsky's concentric circles, if you remember seeing that in the video. And also, if you remember learning in the video that Kandinsky had something called synesthesia, which is when you can hear music but you see shapes and colors. And I think that sounds pretty cool. I don't have synesthesia, maybe you do. So if you'd like to listen to music today while you're working, if that'll help get you inspired to choose colors and see what kind of emotions or shapes or colors you see while you're listening to music, that would be great. So the first thing that we're going to do today, we're going to take our paper, we're going to do a little bit of folding. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold it in half like a hot dog, so the long ways. And that's going to be our first fold there. All right, and then I'm going to want to fold this into 3 sections. So I'm going to go up where it's making, so see I had it folded in half, and it's coming straight up. And then, so it's almost like 2 squares now, and then I'll just fold this one up as well, so that we have just 1 square of paper. But when we open it up, we'll actually have 6 squares of paper. So again, like I said, you can use a pencil if you want. So if I kind of want to sketch out some of those circles, and you can make as many circles as you want. And if you're not listening to music today while you're working, you can also think about your feelings and how you're feeling, and I'll explain how we do that. So let's say the circle in the center is how we're just feeling some of the time. So, you know, we all have a bad day. Maybe I feel angry sometimes, so I can go in and you can just color it in, or you can go in circles like Kandinsky. So maybe I feel angry sometimes, but I'm going to put that one real tiny in the middle because I don't feel angry all the time, but sometimes I do. And then maybe some orange. You know, maybe I feel frustrated occasionally. And then maybe sometimes I feel sad, so I'll use blue on that circle there. And it's okay, see I'm kind of going over the colors, and that's all right. And I'm going a little fast. You guys can definitely take a little more time on this. All right, so I've got my blue in there. And then I feel happy most of the time, so on this one, I'm just going to go ahead and line out the square, and then I can color in that section. So you can do this based on your feelings. Maybe you want to do different days. Maybe there's a day where you felt really happy, so you want to do a lot of happy colors. Or maybe you just want to, maybe you do feel angry and upset and annoyed and stuff like that all the time, so you want to use some more intense, bright colors for that. And whatever these colors mean to you, there's no right answers here. And it's almost like an abstract self-portrait we're doing, because I want you to show me how you're feeling with these. All right, so now I've got 1 circle down. And like I said, you don't have to do all of it with pencil first. I can start just doing circles with other colors. And if you don't feel like thinking about your feelings, you can also just do whatever colors you like. All right. I'm going to make this one a little more bright, I think. There we go. And again, I'm just kind of lining that square. So I'll color into the other squares. And I hope everybody's doing great today, having an awesome day, having fun learning about another great artist. All right, so I'm just going to repeat those steps 1, 2, 3, 4 more times, and then we're going to have a nice layout just like Kandinsky's concentric circles here. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the video so that you have enough time to work on this today. And remember, if you would like to listen to music while you're working today, that's awesome, because, you know, maybe you have synesthesia too. Maybe you see colors and shapes just like Vasily Kandinsky. All right, Bobcats, have a great time on this project, and please remember to take a photo and upload it to the Google Classroom when you're returning this assignment so you can receive full credit for this project. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you.